Why does your scanner show the P0478 engine code? What does it mean? P0478 is a diagnostic trouble code for exhaust pressure control. Valve high. The P0478 engine error code stands for Exhaust Pressure Control Valve A Circuit High. It means the powertrain control module, or engine control module, has detected abnormally high voltage readings from the exhaust back pressure valve or sensor circuit. Under this circumstance, stop driving and repair your vehicle immediately. So, what causes this imbalance? Here are the most common culprits. This error can be caused by these possible faults in your vehicle. Faulty EBP sensor, faulty PCM, clogged tubes, stuck or damaged valve, stuck valve. Each DTC code corresponds to a specific issue in your vehicle. This error code occurs in any OBD2-equipped vehicles, especially in those manufactured since 1996, and it is commonly found in vehicles like Ford, Dodge, Nissan, Mercedes, and Volkswagen. If you want to fix this error code, let us know in the comments section. We will definitely make the video on your demand. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.